Since it's so fast now, we'll pay less, the client says. You used AI to write a blog post in 10 minutes. Before, it took an hour. The client is happy, but now faster means cheaper. Imagine, you're a virtual assistant. You answer emails, manage schedules. Now with AI tools, everything is done faster. Your client says, you finished early. I don't need 8 hours per week anymore. Let's make it 4. Or you're a designer. You make a logo with Midjourney or Canva. It looks great, but the client says, you just clicked a few buttons. Why should I pay $100? Maybe you work in marketing. Before, you spent 3 hours creating Instagram posts. Now, AI gives you 10 ideas in 5 minutes. Your boss sees it and asks you to do more, but your salary stays the same. Or you're a freelancer. You used to sell 10 articles per week. Now you can make 30 with AI. The client says, nice, but if it's so easy, I want to pay less per article. That's the problem. You work faster, but they don't pay more. They pay less because they think easy means cheap.
It's not about how much value you give. It's about how people see your work. It's not about working harder. It's about showing your value in a better way. If you charge money for your time, AI can be a problem because AI makes you faster. And when you're faster, clients want to pay you less. But if you charge for the result, not for the time, AI becomes your friend. Let me show you.
Imagine you're a copywriter. You tell the client, I need 5 hours to write this page. You write it with AI in 30 minutes. The client finds out and now thinks you're lazy or overpriced. They say, I'll pay for 30 minutes, not 5 hours. But what if you say, this page will help you sell your product? I charge $300 for the result. Now it doesn't matter how fast you write. You sell the outcome, not your time. Same with presentations. You used to say, I need 10 hours. I charge $100 per hour. But with AI, you do it in 1 hour. The client says, $100 is enough. Now imagine you say, I'll make a pitch deck that helps you get investors. My price is $2,000. You use AI to do it fast, but you're paid for the impact, not the minutes. It's the same with video editing, design, research. Don't sell the hours. Sell what those hours create. Sell the result. Sell the business impact. AI saves you time, but only you can explain why your result still matters.
You might ask, why do they need me at all? Why not just ask ChatGPT, write a post that sells? That's the trap. Yes, AI can write. Yes, it sounds good. Let's say it's trained. It knows the product, the goals, the customer profile, everything. So now what? The client thinks, I don't need a marketer. I have smart AI. It knows my business. But here's the truth. Knowing is not thinking. AI can hold information, but it doesn't know what matters right now. It doesn't feel what's changing this week or why a message feels wrong today. You feel it. You live in the real world. Sometimes AI gives you smart advice. AI says, use urgency in your call to action. Say, buy now. Only 3 left. Sounds good, right? But, this week your product has a delay. It's not in stock. If you push people to buy now, they'll pay, wait 10 days, get angry. You lose trust. AI doesn't know about the delay. You do. Another example. AI says, make memes. Gen Z loves memes. That's true, usually. But today, something happened. Let's say there's a scandal on TikTok. People are emotional. They talk about serious things. If you post funny memes now, it feels wrong. It looks like you don't care. Again, AI doesn't feel the moment. You do. AI gives general ideas, but you bring context, timing, emotion, human sense. That's why AI still needs a human brain to lead. Otherwise, it's just smart noise.
So yes, AI can do more. It's faster, cheaper, smarter. But you are still the one who sees the moment. You make the call. And that's where your value lives. If you let others define your worth by time, you lose. If you define your worth by outcomes, you win. So next time someone says, why should I pay you if AI can do this? You look them in the eye and say, because AI doesn't know what matters. I do.